Alright out you guys, it's Monday. It's Monday and it's not a fun day, no. Terrible day at work. I just couldn't get into it, you know. And it's already, what, 4:42, I just got home. I stopped at FourWheel Parts on my way home and ordered some wheels. Should be able to pick up tomorrow according to the guy, we'll see. Whether they're going to work or not, that's going to be a hit or a miss. The guy said I could take it back if they don't fit, but I just don't put the tires on them. I go, no, I just want one wheel, but give me the set. I'll try one first without the tire. You know, I did the same thing on the Tacoma. Okay, this is a little different situation here. So there's a quick $1,100 for wheels. Still need tires. I got that catch can, my Moroso catch can. Put that in Saturday, but I had issues, man. I got issues. I'm trying to do this quick. Like I said, I just got home. First thing I got to do is pee. But yeah, so there's the catch can mounted. I made my own brackets out of some Heiko bars. Plumbers use these bars. They're just steel bar. Okay, so anyway, this is a Heiko bar. Plumbers use these to strap down their pipes, you know, their plumbing and stuff. Lightweight stuff, not commercial. Well, we do use this in commercial too, but yeah, very easy to bend. You know, carefully. That was a sloppy bend, but yeah. Pre-drilled with holes. I just had to make them a little bigger for my application. They gave some Rust-Oleum paint and paint them black. So that's what's on there right there. Let me give it a little closer look. Maybe from over here. I'm going to zoom in. Where are we at here? So yeah, see that? Okay, so there you go. It's solid in there. Got that bracket there, and there's also one coming off the bottom, so it's got like 3 legs. That'll do it. So I could not find any instructions to hook this up because this is for a SS Camaro, and the directions are a little different. So I go figure. I can figure it out, right? I can figure out where the PVC valve is. I couldn't find the PVC valve. PVC valve to the throttle body. I could not find it. Now the instructions I did find online for Colorado say it's on the back passenger side valve cover. There's nothing there on this truck. This is a 2018. So I got the cover off the engine and all that. I'm like, well, this here should be what they call the clean side, so it's getting filtered air through the air filter, drawn into the engine, goes back behind the engine somewhere, I can't tell where it's going. And then somewhere off a valve cover should be the PVC valve going back to the manifold, to the intake manifold, past the throttle body. After the throttle body, you know. I couldn't find that either. So right now it's not even hooked up. I just got it there for looks. So I just assume that this is the clean side. It also has another hose coming off the intake hose that goes across here. The throttle body's way on the other side. And that goes to the front valve covers. You got 2 valve covers right and left. There's hoses coming off of there, that T in the middle, and then come back to this side of the intake hose. So I can't find any information on this. I figured no big deal. I'll go to the auto parts store and get a repair manual. I couldn't even find a repair manual. I guess this truck's too new. I couldn't even find anything online for ordering a repair manual for 2018 Colorado. I went to the GM website, all I could find was owner manuals. I go, oh man, I just want to know where to cut the line that splice this into the PVC system, you know? So anyway, it looks cool, right? Right, that's up with that. If anybody's got any ideas, send me a photograph or something. Like I said, I saw installation instructions for a Camaro, and the Camaro intake is slightly different than this. And that one's obvious. This one, I was like, I can't find nothing. I can't find anything relevant. So if we look at the front of this, on a Camaro, the throttle body's in the middle. This throttle body's over here. And after that, it's got like another cover over the intake. I think it's a cover. So you can almost see the throttle body right here. Damn kids making all the noise across the street. So there's the throttle body right there. And then there's like some kind of plastic cover after that, covering all that stuff up, and I didn't want to start taking all that out. Should be simple, right? It's kind of strange. Maybe it's a new design, but even the vacuum on the power booster, the brake booster over there, goes to like a little vacuum pump motor. It doesn't go to the vacuum ports on the intake manifold like most cars. Dang kids. Should be doing their homework, right? Yeah, there's like, I thought that was an oil filter down there. That's the some kind of vacuum booster or vacuum pump for the brake system. So anyway, this is all new to me. I'm going to try to install my lift kit this weekend. Monday is a holiday. I've got some friends going out to Aquatio Wells this weekend. I was like, oh man, I really want to get my lift kit installed because it's going to take some work. It's going to take some work putting the kit in. It's going to take some work fitting the tires. I'm going to do some trimming. We'll see, you know, it's all new, it's all a whole nother project, you know. I think I'll make a little video of some of my past projects, just to give you an idea what kind of stuff I'm into here. So stay tuned, and I'll try to get around to it tonight. I'm gonna have a cold one and think about it.